All right, guys, we're out here again. Super windy here in Orlando, about 55 degrees, and it's super, super windy. We're gonna see if we can get on some fish today, guys. In the cold, in the wind. Only way to catch them is to get out there. Brand new? No, it's not, but it will do. It will do. Watermelon pearl. This is like the last one I have. So let's make it count, guys. Let's put all this away. We might be switched to a top water, I don't know, but for right now, we're gonna try this Texas rig because it is super chilly and windy, and these guys might be a little on the slow side, on the sluggish side right now. Oh my God, it's so cold. What am I gonna do if I catch a bass, dude? See if there's anything around here. Oh, it's chilly. What up, Ducky? Oh, got one, guys. Oh, got one. Oh, yeah, I saw him take it. Saw him take it, dude. Whacked it in the cold, baby. Saw him come out for that bad boy. Come here, boy. Come here. First fish of the day. We'll take him. We will take him. Ooh. Whoa. This guy got hooked everywhere. I don't know how this happened, guys, but this guy got hooked through the eye. We're going to try to get this out as best as we can to not hurt him anymore. I think I got it, guys. I think I could. Let me try to not hurt him. Oh, come on, don't do that. Oh, I got it out. Yeah, he's all right. Ooh, I didn't want to hurt his eye now, just to catch him. There he goes, guys. First one in the cold, in the wind. Get him, baby. All right, guys, gonna step in this chilly water to let this bad boy go. Thank God for my deck boots. It's coldy. Oh, the water's nice, though. There he goes, baby. Oh, wait. Let's go get these fish, dude. I guess they want the Texas rig, guys. Ooh, cranes. How are you guys doing today? Awesome. Have you seen any bass around here? No, wait. Trying to keep your secrets to yourself, huh? Keep your secrets to yourself, huh? All right. Oh, that one, guys. He's in the weeds. Come on, no, stay hooked. He's in the weeds. Get out. Come here. Oh my God, I took a bag out too. Awesome. There we go, guys. That's another one. These cranes are looking at me like they are my enemies now. Oh, that's a nice one, bro. That's a nice fish, bro. Oh, wait. That's a nice little fatty. Nice patterns on that bass. Nice fish. Let this fish go right here. There you go, buddy. He's out of here. Away! About to, oh, no, guys. Oh, guys. Man, something took it right when it went out there, dude. Oh, there's fish out here today. On the drop, something rocked it, dude. All right, guys. Switched over to the Texas rig again. I'm pretty sure this is what they want today. They're not trying to do no top water or no fancy stuff. So if they want the Texas rig, we'll give them the Texas rig. See what happens. Got one, guys. Got one, guys. Got one already. Yes, baby. Got one on the Texas, right to the Texas rig, and boom, bada, bing, bada, boom, baby. That's it. And he's choked the worm. Oh, he's choking it, bleeding. Oh man, come on, dude. You got it in the tongue, huh? All right, guys. This guy's bleeding pretty good. Trying to let him go. Oh, there he goes, baby. Oh, wait. All right, guys, we got the lizard on. Let's see if the lizard has anything in it. Get a fish. Let's see what happens. Got one, guys. Got one, guys. Got a last one of the night, guys, I guess. Oh, yeah. Just a dinky, but he took the lizard. He took the lizard, baby. Oh, wait, look at that one. That's good. Good hook set. Bam, baby. Bam, baby. All right, guys, it's another one. About to let this nice fish go. They seem to be all over around these lilies on the Texas rig. They're all over it, bro. There you go. There you go, fishy. Woo! Ooh. Something was biting on it. Something bit on it. Let's try that again. Something bit on it. Something bit on it. Oh, got one, guys. Got one, baby. Oh, he let go. He let go. Oh, man, I had it. It was on there, too. What just happened, dude? All right, guys, I found one more thumping dinger. Let's see if I could bring him out for the last time with this all white thumping dinger before I go. Oh, got one, guys. Got one, guys. A big one. Got something big. Is it? Yeah, got it on there. Yeah, it's on. Yeah, got one, guys. Yes, a nice one. Yes, get over here, get over here, get over here. Oh, yes, baby. Oh, wait. Whoa. That's a nice fish, baby. Yes, he got into the weeds immediately. Dude, when he felt that hook, he was into those weeds quicker than anything, dude. Perfect hook, a fat bass, biggest one of the day. Yes, baby. That's a nice fish, boys. That's a nice one, boy. Yes, sir. All right, guys, look at that nice, fatty, beautiful bass, dude. Beautiful patterns. Oh, man. That's a nice fish on this chilly, windy day. We'll take. Let's let this beauty go. Let's let this beauty get a beautiful release. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. If you do enjoy the content that I am putting out, make sure you guys go crush that subscribe button. It means the world to me, and it lets me know that you guys enjoy what I'm doing, man. Thank you guys again. Till the next hook set, guys. Stay safe.